Hello everyone, today we're going to be doing a tutorial on how to set up MSI Afterburner for benchmarks. So yeah, first thing we got to do is download MSI Afterburner. For that, you just got to type in MSI Afterburner. Go to the page. I already got it here, so I'm going to leave the link in the description, so that's no problem for you guys. You just got to click the link. Okay, in this page, you got to come down to all the way to the bottom. He's gonna select download MSI Afterburner. After it's downloaded, you just gotta open it up, and if you don't have this program, it's called WinRAR. I'm gonna leave the link in the description for you to download. It's free, so there's no problem with that. You gotta click this, drag it, whatever you want. I'm gonna put it in my desktop. We open this up, we double click this. You choose a language. I'm gonna choose English. You click next. You accept the terms of service. Next. It's very important for you to select this option, Riva Tuner Statistics Server, because this is actually what you need to benchmark your games and to show the graphs and stuff. So we're gonna select that. We're gonna click next. You choose wherever you want to install it. I'm just gonna choose C, program files, normal location. Click next, install. It's gonna wait for this to finish. Okay, so this is Riva Tuner, so we're gonna choose English again. I already got it installed, so I'm just gonna install it again for you guys. Click next, accept, next. You choose your path, whatever you want. Next. Install. Okay, so now that we're done, we're just gonna uncheck this because I don't want to read that. And we run MSI Afterburner. So let's start. So I got FIFA right here. It's gonna be my test subject for today's video. We click MSI Afterburner, we go to settings, and we go to monitoring. So basically we're gonna be putting all the numbers and graphs that I have on my videos that I use. You can check them out to see what style I use. So the first thing that you gotta do is select GPU temperature, which is like basic. And to see it on your game, you just gotta select this, the first option, show it on a screen display. You click OK, and you'll see that it'll show up here. And it's that easy. So I'm gonna select the other ones that I use for my videos, which are GPU usage, GPU U1 memory usage, GPU core clock, GPU memory clock, CPU temperature. So this is basically CPU 1, CPU 2, CPU 3, and CPU 4 are basically all of my cores, and CPU temperature without a number is the overall temperature of the package. CPU usage, same thing as before. 1 is the first core, 2 is the second one, 3 is the third one, and 4 is the fourth one. And CPU without a number is the overall CPU usage. CPU clock, RAM usage, frame rate. And for frame time, I actually use a graph instead of a number. In order to do that, you just gotta select this again, and you choose the option graph in here instead of text. You click OK. And you should be seeing this again. So, why are the numbers so big? Well, actually, this is because I configured it myself. In order to do this, you gotta come down here with MSI Afterburner opened, and you should have this little icon, which is Riva Tuner. You open it up, and I basically just, increase the size. You can decrease it if you want, and as you saw in the background, it decreased the size here. I choose to put it very big because of my benchmark videos. I do something like that, or maybe even bigger sometimes. But this is, whatever you want. I think this is too big. Yeah, that's good. And so that's basically it. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys learned something, and leave a like, subscribe, and see you later, guys.